Hi everyone, Pam Schmidt from Pouring Artists International. I'm just putting out a quick video right now just to do an unboxing. I received in the mail today from Counterculture DIY out of Joplin, Missouri, some paints from Rick Cheadle called Rick's Mix. And Rick, I apologize if I just butchered your last name. Rick has his own YouTube channel, his own website, and now he has a proprietary recipe called Rick's Mix, being produced by Counterculture DIY. So I was lucky enough to get my package today. Let's take a look at it. It's heavy. Oh yeah. Pull this out here. Oh my goodness. With these basic primary colors, we can make whatever color we possibly need. They package it well. There he is. That's Rick himself. All right, let me get these open real quick and take a look at it. This is the starter kit. 5 huge bottles, 32 ounces each. If you go check out the website at the Counterculture DIY, there's tons of supplies for fluid art. This just happens to be one of them. We all know Rick. He does some amazing fluid artwork. And maybe one day we'll actually get him to the Pouring Artists International Fluid Art Conference. So let's see what we have here. Let me put these down so you can see them. Okay, 32 ounce. This one's called Cherry Blossom Red. And we have Lapis Blue. Look at that mug. Coal Black. These are such huge bottles. Alabaster White. And Daffodil Yellow. Again, it's from Counterculture DIY. And with some instructions on the back for surface prep, application, do not shake, no pre-mixing or mediums are needed. It's all in one. How cool is that? Sometimes we have such issues mixing paint. This is an all-in-one. Way to go, Rick. Gently tilt the bottle back and forth until the mixture is fully combined. The product is ready to pour. Awesome. Take a look inside here. I'm going to just grab a canvas real quick. I just want to see how these feel. Oh, smooth. Very soft. Very nice. Look at how fluid that is. I don't have to mix anything with it. Fantastic. That's a nice bright yellow right there. Good to go. That's fantastic. Now, if you belong to the Florida Paint Pouring Addicts Share Facebook group, we have on the top of the page, Rick is kind enough to be giving away this entire set that you see here. Let me put the yellow back so you can see it. This entire set being given away. He has it also on some other Facebook pages, but I'm an administrator on Florida's Paint Pouring Addicts Share, so that's why I know about it. And it ends tomorrow night at 5 o'clock. So if you are a member of that Facebook page, make sure you go to the website, and that is counterculturediy.com, I believe. Take a look at their products, take a look at Rick's products, and then come back to the Facebook page and make a comment. For those that take the time to look and then make a comment, tomorrow night after 5 o'clock, there'll be a drawing to get this starter set for you as well. And this is going to be so much fun. I'm going to go ahead and pour all of these out into cups and put some silicone in it. And then I'll do a quick demo. Thank you, Rick, once again. I can't wait to try these.